Hello, RTS family. I hope everybody's doing well. So today, day 24, we are going to speak directly to your customer. So that is what is a title today. One of the biggest mistakes most people make when creating content is trying to talk to everyone. And when we talk to everyone, no one feels like they are talking to them. Like right now, I should be using the word you, not them, not we. So we should be talking directly to one person. So stop talking to everyone. That's why your content isn't landing. When you talk to everyone, no one feels seen. So people love to be heard and talked about. So um, see the difference. One is general, the other is specific. So, and when someone hears their exact situation, they stop scrolling and think, oh, that's me. They feel that you're talking to them, so they stop. So, speak to one person. I help people make money online. I help busy parents who feel financially stuck create income from home. So now we're talking about parents who feel financially stuck. So that is a specific. I mean a direct. Sorry. Say this in your content. If you're someone who, or if you've ever felt like da 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 da, describe their life. Here's what I would like for you to try. Start your content this way. And describe their situation clearly. So clearly, they feel seen. Because when people feel seen, they start to trust you. They start feeling more personal. They start feeling that security and they feel that you know what they are going through. Because for the most part, that's what it is. We feel that's why we talk about our perfect customer is us, our experience, what we have gone through. And talking to that one person directly makes them understand and see that I got you, I get it, I understand. I went through that. Let's talk. So stay connected. See you on day 25.